everyone, and welcome to What's Cookin Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making a pumpkin cake in a mug. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over the ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of oil, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a pinch of salt, and 4 tablespoons of flour. You can also have powdered sugar or ice cream for the end if you like. So we're going to start by adding in our dry ingredients to our mug. So we're going to add in our flour and our pumpkin pie spice, salt, and baking powder. And we're going to use a fork and mix those together very well. So once you've mixed in all of your dry ingredients, you're going to start adding in your wet ingredients, and you just want to mix those together until they're combined. So we're going to add in our milk, our maple syrup. I have coconut oil, so we're adding our oil and our pumpkin. And we just want to mix those together just until all of the ingredients are combined. Now we're going to pop this into our microwave for 60 to 90 seconds or until it's cooked through and firm on top. Once your mug cake is finished in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing it because it may be hot. Look at that. Now I have some powdered sugar here. I'm just going to sprinkle over the top. Just like that. And now for the best part, the taste test. This is such a light and moist cake, not super sweet, and it's very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cookin Mug Edition. My next video will premiere on Wednesday, March the 3rd. Bye guys.